Good morning. It is July 29th, 2018. This is Gardening with Larry. I'm going to do a video update today, and things change in this garden daily. You just saw a beautiful shot of a bee from yesterday, and actually yesterday was interesting. I actually had something in the garden that I haven't seen for quite a while in the form of rain. It was very refreshing. The plants loved it, the flowers loved it. And I was happy to see some rain. It's been so hot. It's been about 100 degrees every day, which it will be today. And this garden has come so far. I go back and I look at my files, my videos, and I just, I'm amazed by how far it's gone. But it's just incredible, overwhelming. I really can't put enough words to it. And everything's growing. This is my sunny side. These guys is where this is where Sunny grew last year. And these plants are really going through a growth spurt, and they're almost as tall as me. They will produce big flowers like this one. This is one of my sunny side plants that I'm really proud of. Beautiful, beautiful. This guy I've been videoing and taking pictures of. I don't know if you've seen it yet, but look at this. Tell me that's not the craziest thing you've ever seen. A flower arching like that. Normally they'll dip, but not like this. It's like a tuba or some kind of brass instrument. Look at this thing. This is where Sunny grew, like I said. This is one of the biggest stalks I have, by the way. This thing is big. It's just amazing how this has happened. This has been going on for 4 or 5 days. And I don't think you've seen any shots of it, but I got Sunny on my shoulder. It makes me happy. Isn't this great? Let's switch sides, Sunny. This is one of my best plants. I love this guy. This is my Sunny. Come back to me. Yep. This guy's going really good too on my sunny side. Over here quickly, this is row 6. These guys are going through a growth spurt. These were so small for so long, and now they're really doing well. They're looking healthy. This will be my last flowers to bloom this year. These were planted probably about a month ago. I just threw in the 6 row. And you can see the garden. I'm just giving you a tour because I haven't really done this too much in my updates. I've got bees doing their thing down here in the pumpkin patch. This is pumpkin pod 6, which was planted. Let me get my shadow out of the way. This was planted just a few weeks ago, but look at it. It is going good. You can see how the garden extends back here. You can see the male flowers and bees. And then there's the female flowers and bees. I don't want to disturb them. It's in there. You can tell the difference. A female flower and a male flower. The birds and the bees, I think that's where we get that. There's tons of flowers, many bees, and we're producing pumpkins. Yes, we are. I'll show you in a minute. This is my west side of my garden. And I've already had plants come and go. Flowers have bloomed. And they start to bend. I will harvest the seeds from the bigger heads. Just wanted you to see. It's July 29, 2018. And just what's happening here. These are my giants of the sky, I call them. Up here, let's see if I can do this. Back up here is, I'm guessing that's a 10-foot sunflower. Can you see that? Hasn't even bloomed yet, but it's the tallest one. This one over here is the one I was measuring. It got to be 106 inches. That almost looks small compared to that guy. It's got to be at least 10 inches, if not more. I'm going to compete with a lawnmower out there for sound. But you can see the garden is growing. The pumpkins are coming. There's my pumpkins. And here's a bigger one. I've got lots of pumpkins. They're starting to grow now. Don't want to disturb the bees. You can see them growing. And my east side of my garden, this is actually center side. I've been staking some of these up because they've been coming down, but this is my center side. And it's one of my favorite guys right here. Oops. My center side. And my east side. This is the east side of my garden. My east side. This was one of my favorite plants. He's now one of my grandpa's. When they lose their leaves, I call them grandpa plants. And here's my kitty cat. Say hi, Millie. Say hi to the camera. You're out here. She's faithful every morning. So that's about it for my update today. I just wanted to show you the whole garden. Document this. I got a path in here now that I walk on. But the pumpkin patch continues to thrive and grow and just blow me away. Like I said, this garden has been absolutely amazing. Just such a blessing to have. Relaxing, therapeutic, and I invite you to come see. 317 plants, if you didn't guess, in this garden. And gonna hopefully have many pumpkins. So for this update, this is Larry Capetto, Gardening with Larry. I'll leave you with this shot. Have a great day and thanks for watching.
People are crazy. This old man and me, we're at the bar and we were having us some beers and swapping I don't cares, talking politics, blonde and redhead chicks, old dogs and new tricks and habits we ain't kidding. We talked about God's grace and all the hell we raised. Then I heard the old man say, God is great, beer is good, and people are crazy. He said I fought 2 wars, been married and divorced. What brings you to Ohio? Said, damned if I know. We talked an hour or 2 about every girl we knew, what all we put him through, like 2 old boys will do. We pondered life and death. He lit a cigarette, said these damn things will kill me, yeah. God is great, beer is good, people are crazy. Last call to 2 a.m. I said goodbye to him. I never talked to him again. Then one sunny day, I saw the old man's face. Front page obituary, he was a millionaire. He left his fortune to some guy he barely knew. His kids were mad as hell, but me, I'm doing well. And I dropped by today, just say thanks and pray. And I left a 6-pack right there on his grave. And I said, God is great, beer is good, and people are crazy. God is great, beer is good, and people are crazy. God is great, beer is good, and people are crazy.